In this video, I'm talking all about this one trick that is going to help to step up your photography game. So let's get into it. So let's say you're out and about, you're taking a few pictures of a few landmarks in a major city. Now the temptation is to just grab the camera, set it up to all of the settings that you need and just snap away. But the problem is this doesn't always give us the most creative shots possible. So in other videos, I've previously talked about getting different angles, so look for different perspectives. So we could go down to the floor, get a low angle looking up to a landmark to show its true height. You could go to a high angle and show the area and show what's around that specific landmark. But there's one technique that I haven't yet talked about on this channel, and that is reflection photography. So like the title implies, this photography technique just requires a simple reflection. And you can find this reflection from many different sources. So you could use a window, you could use water, you could use a mirror, for example. There's loads of different ways that you can utilize reflection photography in your work. So let's start with water. Water is one of the best ways that you can get reflection photography. So the easiest way of doing this is to shoot on a rainy day. So it's raining, the floor's covered in water, you're just going to take your camera, place it as low to the ground as is physically possible, and you'll notice that you get a reflection in the floor of the landmark that you're looking at. However, if it's not raining, then you just want to go ahead and grab a bottle of water, soak the floor, soak whatever you're shooting against, soak the surface with water, place the camera low to the surface that you're shooting on, and there you go. You've got yourself a really awesome reflection photo. Now, if water isn't quite working for you, then you can always use the reflection from a glass building or a window, for example. So rather than just taking a picture of a landmark straight up, you want to take your camera as close to a window as is physically possible. Make sure you're shooting outside. You don't want to be shooting inside because we won't catch that reflection. So make sure you move your camera as close to this window as possible, and you're going to see that really awesome reflection, and it's going to be another way of leveling up your photos. Now the mirror, the reflection, the water, all of these different styles of reflection photography are a very creative way of stepping up your photography. Rather than just taking a boring photo of a landmark, think of more interesting and unique ways to take your photo, and utilizing this reflection technique is going to be one way that you can do so. And there you go. Thank you ever so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate it, and I will see you on the next video. See you there.